Kathryn Miles.
And I'm Andrew Corman.
And we just wanted to put together a little video to explain how to recycle on campus because there's not really a lot of information out there about it. So hopefully this will help you understand how to do it, where to do it, and what things can be recycled on campus.
First off, the most important thing on campus that you're going to be recycling is beer cans.
What do you mean most important thing? Beer cans?
Yeah, beer cans.
I mean, okay, it's a college campus and that might be what you're going to recycle the most, but I mean, not everybody's 21.
Okay, let's just, case
I mean, some of these people are freshmen.
Yeah,
how are you going to explain that they're going to recycle beer cans?
I get it. Okay, case scenario. You got this party. Or you just on campus. You got Fritz, Conrad, Price, and let's just say one of the older people, one of the people that's over 21, they come up and give you a beer can. What you want to do with it? Recycle.
An empty beer can?
Yes, definitely.
That's right, because whenever you recycle cans, no matter what they are, soda cans, pop, it all depends on where you come from, what you call it, Coke, all that. Whenever you recycle any can like that, you want to make sure that it's empty, and if you get the chance to rinse it out, that's also good too.
Oh, so good. And another thing we're going to be recycling is glass.
Yes, glass. We can recycle clear glass, or it's actually colorless, but it says clear on the containers. We can recycle clear, brown, and green. So even like your spaghetti jars, if you're making some pasta, anything aluminum, and also steel. Don't forget about steel cans too. So like, that's like what, like canned vegetables?
Yeah, you got canned vegetables, ravioli little cans.
Chef Boyardee.
Yeah, that's what I was talking
about. Yeah.
Next up, we have plastic bottles. It will be any bottles that's water, soda mostly.
It's going to have a little triangle and it'll say the type of plastic it is and it'll have the number. We can do 1 and 2. So take your caps off. You don't need to recycle those. And even things like contact solution bottles, they say number 2 on the bottom of them. Shampoo bottles, conditioner, body wash, all that stuff. Like, look for a lot of the things that you use whenever you're disposing of it, and whenever they're empty, some of them might be recyclable. So if you can recycle them, that would be great. And there are places around campus too. We have bins in the Rhyne building and in Cromer Center and McCrory, all over the place that are red and yellow, and the red ones are for cans.
Yes.
Like, I try and remember that because like it's kind of like their ketchup and mustard colors.
Yeah.
So like ketchup can, ketchup can, red, and then mustard. That's plastic.
That is definitely the lamest thing ever, but it works.
There are signs too. It's painted on them if you can't remember.
Yeah,
they're always side by side.
Let's try the signs.
Yeah.
Now let's move on to our papers. And this could be any kind of paper, especially paper you have that's on your mailbox paper that you don't need, or stuff that you print off the computer that you don't want. Just dispose of it. It's the blue bins that you have. That's the recycling bins for paper.
That includes cereal boxes. Those are the thin, or anything that's paperboard, like any cardboard box that you get stuff in that's not corrugated. Now, corrugated is the kind that's like 2 sheets of cardboard and then it has little wavy, ripply things in between. That's corrugated, so we can't recycle that and then mix paper. But cereal boxes, cardstock, index cards, any of that stuff, Yeah, there's nothing that makes me more angry than whenever we're going by, where the mailboxes are, and you get junk in your mail, and people are throwing it away in the trash can that's right beside the blue bin. Throw it away in the recycling bin. Okay, LR, a few final notes about recycling. Please do not throw any trash in those recycling bins. So just put what's recyclable in there. Make sure that you empty things out. Don't put your stank milk cartons in there that you haven't rinsed. I would rather change a child's diaper than smell that. It's disgusting. I don't know about all
that. It's pretty disgusting, but
yeah,
the diaper thing. Whoa, you miss me with the kid diaper thing. You miss me with that one. You miss me with that.
Anyways, make sure you rinse out everything. Make sure that it's kind of clean. If it's water well, you don't have to rinse that out, obviously. But yeah. Just make sure that your recyclables are clean, and let's recycle. Come on, LR.
Woo!
Thanks for listening.